Hello guys, today I'm going to explain the AI application called Bitpaintr. So what is Bitpaintr? A Bitpaintr is a portrait painting robot created by Pindar Ben Arman. He is an artist as well as software developer. So let's talk about how Bitpaintrs work. In the following example, the task of the human is to provide bunch of photos. Robot picks its favorite photo by running Viola Jones face detection algorithm. If the photo is not symmetrical, then it tossed out the photo. From the selected photo, robot then do hot cascade to find the eyes and the mouth. After that, it notes down the measurement, symmetry, proportion, and find out its favorite photo. Then robot runs the K-mean clustering to form a color palette and start painting it, but not blindly. The robot uses a camera and feedback loop procedure to remove the difference between the plain canvas and the original image. Feedback loops are very important because they help the robot to decide when to stop. When robot acknowledges that it achieves the minimum difference between the canvas and the input image, it stops painting. Now let's put some light on what can be the uncertainty issues. What if, while painting, the robot run out the colors? Second, room temperature. High temperature might result in affecting the performance of the robot. Third, there might be chances to the size of the canvas is not enough. Fourth, the sensor. The robot has the camera to see what it is painting. The range and the resolution of the camera matters. And now, here comes how can we handle these uncertainty issues. Before painting, we should always check the amount of color. The room temperature should be set between 59°F and 86°F. The robot should know the size of the portrait so that it never runs out of the canvas. The camera, which robot is using, should be of good quality as they are acting like eyes of the robot. Now let's talk about the techniques which are used in the robot. As I mentioned earlier, Viola Jones face detection technique, which uses ADA boost, also known as adaptive boosting. It creates a new model by sequentially training based on the error of the previous model. Second, K-means algorithm, which will help in forming the cluster of the same colors and help in making the color pattern. Third, the feedback loop. Robot makes the mark and take a step back to evaluate the portrait. It does it over and over again in the setback loop. It helps in the minimizing the difference between the canvas and the portrait. Thank you.